Anytime that we do a reveal for a hero home, that excitement that leads up to it, because it's not just one of those regular meetings, we're surprising the family and you get to see that reaction. And it is usually overwhelming. Either they cry or they just have this, blank look on their face because they're so shocked. They all have some sort of what's going on, I feel the energy's different, but they are truly surprised that they really have been chosen for a home.
Really excited here today. The land behind me is where we're gonna start building a beautiful home. Jaden and I are so excited and looking forward to the next steps.
Welcome to the Raise the Roof ceremony for Operations Coming Home, Hero Home number 28.
The point of today is really just to introduce her to the home, let her see the progress so far, but then also just leave what we call messages of love written on the actual roof truss that's sitting out in front of the garage door, and to also give her and our teammates the opportunity to sign the inside of the house as well, just as a sign of appreciation to her and her late husband and what he had done for this country.
This has been a big surprise for us. Jaden and I have been kind of doing everything solo, and so for us to get a lot of support is such an incredible thing, and this is such a great new start for us and a safe place to land, and I'm really thankful and happy right now. Russell would be so happy, and so are we.
Well, today we are donating a home, a mortgage-free home, to Paige and her son Jaden. It's a great day, Gold Star family, so unfortunately she lost her husband about 5 years ago while he was on active duty in the Navy. So we can't replace Russell, but at least we can give her some stability in a home, and that's what we're doing today, just honoring her husband's legacy.
6 months ago, this was obviously a surprise. I didn't know this was going to happen. And all of a sudden I picked out a floor plan, and even still it was a picture diagram of a different color house, and I picked out what would go in it, but seeing everything come together is truly incredible.